Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will learn how you can customize the navigation title in your views and move the title up when you are not using the toolbar for buttons. Let's get started. As you can see, the navigation title leaves space for your controls in the top bar even if you don't have any buttons. We are going to configure that. Let me first show you the current setup for this demonstration. I have images in my asset catalog and I have an enum for them to make them easier to use in my view. I'll add two buttons that Apple uses in the Photos app to filter and select photos. Inside the toolbar, place a toolbar item at the top bar trailing position, which holds the filter button. Then you can copy and paste the toolbar item we just wrote and change the button label to select. As you can see, these two buttons share the same background for now. Apple recommends separating buttons, one with a text label and the other with a symbol, to break the illusion that they form a single button. You can simply use a toolbar spacer and explicitly specify the placement to separate them. Now we can move on to the navigation title. I'll create a struct that conforms to the view protocol. It will expect a title. Instead of using string, use LocalizedStringKey so that your title is ready for localization. In this view, we'll simply have a text. You can customize it with modifiers. Then come back to our toolbar and add another toolbar item with a title placement. Inside the toolbar item, we'll use our custom navigation title view and pass the title we'd like to display. You can see that it placed the title exactly the way we want it. You may easily remove the existing navigation title modifier, but Apple recommends keeping it. They use it for accessibility features. Instead, they recommend using the navigation bar title display mode modifier and select the inline option. This will resolve the duplication. Let me show you that our current buttons on the trailing side push the title to the left. Now suppose you don't need any buttons at the top at all. You'll see that the title becomes centered. If you prefer leading alignment regardless, you can use the toolbarRole modifier with the editor option. This will push the title to the left. Now you can play with the font size and font weight modifiers to find the best combination for your app. You can also change the font design using the font design modifier and even change the color of the title using the foreground style modifier. You may also add a navigation subtitle below it. Let me show you how to customize the subtitle in the same way. I'll copy and paste the custom navigation title view and rename it Custom Navigation Subtitle. Then in the toolbar, I'll add another toolbar item with a subtitle placement. Use our custom navigation subtitle view and pass the text into it. You can customize the font design and color the same way as before. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video to support us.